The Indian government aims to increase the output and quality of exports from India as portrayed by the Make in India policy. This is why there are many tax benefits provided to exporters. Hi, I'm Annapurna from Clear, and in this video I'll decode the impact of GST on export of goods and services under GST. Before we find out the applicability of GST on export of goods and services, let us first understand how exports are defined under the GST law. Subsection 5 of Section 2 of the Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act or IGST Act 2017 says that export of goods with its grammatical variations and cognate expression means taking out of India to a place outside India. Moving on to import of services under GST law. Import of services is defined under subsection 11 of Section 2 of the IGST Act 2017 to mean that the supply of any service when the supplier of service is located in India and the recipient of service is located outside India. The place of supply of service is in India. The payment for such service has been received by the supplier of service in convertible foreign exchange or in Indian rupees wherever permitted by RBI, and the supplier of service and the recipient of service are not merely establishments of distinct persons in accordance with explanation 1 in Section 8. Now, let's find out if GST is applicable on export of goods and services. Now, export of goods or services is treated as an interstate supply and covered under the IGST Act. It is also considered to be a zero-rated supply under the GST law. Hence, GST will not be levied on exports of any kinds of goods or services. Further, an exporter who deals in zero-rated goods under GST can claim refund for zero-rated supplies through one of the following ways. Option 1. Supply of goods or services or both under a bond or letter of undertaking subject to such conditions, safeguards and procedures as may be prescribed without payment of integrated tax and then claim a refund of unutilized input tax credit or ITC. Option 2. Any exporter or United Nations or embassy or any other agencies or bodies as specified in Section 55 who supplies goods or services or both after fulfilling certain conditions, safeguards and procedures as may be prescribed and paying the IGST can claim refund of such IGST paid on the goods or services supplied or both. An exporter is required to file shipping bill for goods being exported out of India. In this case, the shipping bill is considered as a deemed application for refund for the IGST paid. Next, we move on to deemed exports under the GST law. The central government has notified certain categories of supply of goods which would be treated as deemed exports. This means that such supplies shall be treated as exports even if such goods are not taken outside India. They include the supply of goods by a registered person against advance authorization, supply made to export-oriented undertaking EOU or Hardware Technology Park Unit, Software Technology Park Unit, Biotechnology Park Unit. The supply of capital goods by a registered person against export promotion capital goods authorization, supply of gold by bank or public sector undertaking against advance authorization as per customs law. Unlike exports, deemed export supplies are not zero-rated supplies by default. All deemed export supplies will be subject to GST at a point of supply. Supplies cannot be made under bond or LUT without payment of tax. Tax should be paid on such deemed exports and then be claimed as refund. Subject to certain conditions, refund of tax paid can be claimed by either of the following persons: supplier of goods or recipient of goods. It should be noted that the recipient of goods is not eligible to claim input tax credit or ITC in cases where the refund of tax paid is being claimed by the supplier of such goods. If you are looking for a software to file 100% accurate GST returns from GSTR 1 to GSTR 9C and many more, then let me introduce you to Clear GST. It is India's most trusted GST solution and offers users many exclusive features such as easily connecting with hundreds of ERPs and importing data error-free. Filing of all returns from GSTR 1 to GSTR 9C and many more made at least 3 times faster. Matching of 6,000 invoices per minute to detect 100% tax credits with AI-powered matching. 2 to 7% tax savings achieved with smart reconciliation reports. Multiple validations done at every step reviewed by over 60 experts and a variety of smart analytic reports available on tap. If you would like to get a demo of Clear GST filing software to understand how you can file error-free returns, please click on the link given in the video description and enter your contact details. One of our product experts will get in touch with you to schedule a demo at your convenience. We have now come to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, then please support us by subscribing to our channel. Also, please don't forget to click on the link given in the video description to explore Clear GST solution for quick and error-free GST return filing. Thank you.